Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue west on US-192 concurrent with Hidden State Road 500 North, beginning at mile 64 in unincorporated Brevard County. This is still a divided 4-lane highway, and out here the posted speed limit is 65 miles per hour. The surroundings have changed quickly since the Melbourne area. Instead of signals, shopping centers, and beach traffic, we're now crossing a wide open stretch of east central Florida, with pine flatwoods, pasture, drainage ditches, and long gaps between driveways. Brevard County is best known to travelers as the Space Coast, with Atlantic beaches, the Indian River Lagoon, and Kennedy Space Center farther north, but this western edge feels very different. Brevard had an estimated population of 663,982 as of 2025, yet this part of the county still feels rural and lightly settled. US-192 is built for longer distance travel between the Space Coast and the Orlando area, but the view is open enough that it feels like we've dropped into a different part of the state. The clouds ahead are getting darker too. That's a pretty normal warm weather Central Florida pattern where a storm can build quickly, cross the highway, and then leave blue sky behind almost as fast as it arrived. We pulled over here for a quick Florida Orange stop, which feels about right on a highway that still has some old roadside stand character left in it. The road off to the right looks like an intersection, but it doesn't appear to go anywhere yet. It may just be access for land that hasn't been developed. With Melbourne growing westward and the Orlando metro pushing eastward, this kind of empty corner might be temporary. A few years from now, it wouldn't be a shock to see subdivision signs, model homes, and construction traffic right here. We enter Osceola County, and US-192 takes on the Irlo Bronson Memorial Highway name. Osceola County was created in 1887 from parts of Orange and Brevard County, and it's named for Osceola, the Seminole leader associated with resistance during the Second Seminole War. The county had an estimated population of 481,718 as of 2025, and it's been one of Central Florida's fast-growing counties. The median household income was $72,637, and the median value of owner-occupied housing units was $353,300, according to the 2020 to 2024 American Community Survey. Tourism dominates the western side of the county around Kissimmee, which is the US-192 resort corridor and the gateway to the theme parks. But this eastern side still shows the county's older ranching, timber, citrus, and conservation landscape. Osceola County also has a strong rodeo tradition. The Silver Spurs Rodeo in Kissimmee dates back to the 1940s, and is billed as the largest rodeo east of the Mississippi, while the Osceola County Fair continues the area's livestock and agricultural heritage each February. The highway name honors Irlo Bronson of Kissimmee, a cattleman, citrus grower, civic leader, and Florida legislator. Bronson served in the Florida House from 1943 to 1951 and in the Florida Senate from 1952 to 1966. He was also an important figure in Florida cattle circles, and he's remembered locally for selling land that became part of Walt Disney World. As predicted, the storm has moved on. The darker sky has given way to those bright white clouds that make Florida weather look like it has a reset button. We enter Holopaw, a small unincorporated Osceola County crossroads where we're about to pick up new concurrencies, but we'll talk about that in the next video. We conclude today's video at mile 42.5. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.